بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله الكريم سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we'll be learning about keeping promises in Islam. Okay, so let's just share the screen. One minute. Let me just find the screen I need to. Okay, I think I lost it. 1 minute, let me just take it from the files. Yes. Okay, so let me wait, it's loading. Okay, let's start. Bismillah. Okay, so keeping promises. And it's best to have a notebook or a pen or a pencil with you. I say it every single lesson that it's best to have a notebook or a pen or a pencil with you, so you can, some important parts, you can write them down, note them down in your notebook. That'll be good for you, inshallah. Okay, let's start. Okay, graphics to start off this one here. Okay, so why keep promises? It's very important to be truthful and to keep promises. Nobody believes in a liar, and no one likes to trust a person who breaks his promise. Well, this is true because when you if you are not truthful and you tend to be a liar and you tend to you tend to break promises for other people, then normally no one will think that you're truthful. They'll think that you are like no one wants to trust with you. Like example, if a person wants to give you his phone to you and he says that can you give him back to him, like he's gonna go off somewhere and he's gonna he gave you his phone and he said that bring it to me back after 3-4 days. Okay, so normally these people who are bad hypocrites, you can say these kind of guys, they are they normally break a promise and then they just steal it from them. They don't give them back, tell lies. That's why you have to keep promises. That is very important. Okay, so let's start. So Allah says about keeping promises, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, ربنا إنك جامع الناس ليوم لا ريب فيه إن الله لا يخلف الميعاد. Oh Lord, you certainly gather all humanity for the promised day, about which there is no doubt. Surely Allah does not break his promise. Surah Imran, ayah 9. Ayah 9, yes. Okay, so keeping promises in hadith is a very short one, by the way. I just made a little small presentation. So yeah, so keeping promises in hadith. So do not make a promise unless you can keep it. Imam Ali alayhi salam, we know Hazrat Ali alayhi salam. Do not make a promise unless you can keep it. This is a very important message that Imam Ali alayhi salam gave it to us. He gave that do not make a promise you can keep it. Obviously it's it's common sense that if you make a promise and you can't keep it, then what's the point of making a promise? That is a very good message from Imam Ali alayhi salam. Okay, so we're done with this lesson, just a small lesson. What you have learned from the lesson. First thing we learned is why do we keep promises? I think I explained to you before. It's because it's very important. It's not here, yeah. It's not important. It's very important because it's to be truthful and keep promises, because no one believes in a liar, no one trusts a person who breaks a promise. That is the important one. Second part is what Allah says in the Quran about keeping promises. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is obviously the greatest person. He's the one that knows everything about everybody. So obviously, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran about this, certainly got all humanity for the promise day about which there is no doubt, where Allah does not break his promise. This is our main part, okay? Surely Allah does not break his promise. So Allah obviously doesn't break his promise. So also Prophet ﷺ didn't break his promise. So why do we have to break our promise? That is what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala telling us about here. Okay, the third part is keeping promises in hadith. Here, this is what Imam Ali salam told us here. No make a promise. Keep it. I explained to you about that. Yes, just carry on. So today's class we learn about introduction to force, inshallah. So it's gonna be like, I think Shayan started in, like, my friend Shayan, the other teacher Shayan, he started introduction, like he started about chemicals and also something about math. So I'll be also starting, like subjects, not Islamic. Okay, I'll do 1 week, like one time in a week about these, subjects. This will be like education for you guys as well. So inshallah, tomorrow, inshallah, we'll be learning about introduction to force, inshallah. Okay. So what you do in information implemented and teach as a form of everlasting charity. I think you already know this. So please help spread the word of www.islamicsinstitute.tk. Could be name was also everlasting charity. Remember, we're gonna put some assignments here. It's gonna be the 2020 December competition it's about Islam. You can check it out. You can obviously, if you an account, you can sign up and then log in to the account that Shian will give you in about a few days after that. Then you can sign up and then log in, then you can go there and you can check out the competition section. You can join the competition, inshallah. And also please subscribe to our YouTube channel and join like the video you see as well as the charity. That is very, very, very important. You can set up our YouTube channel and like the video you see right now, as also everlasting charity. Everything is everlasting charity. Everything that's good for you is everlasting charity. Okay, so jazakallah khairan, barakallah fiikum. Thanks for watching my presentation. As you're seeing there, inshallah, I'll see you next time. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.